Going to be planning for the week of December 17th through the 23rd. I believe this is day 16 of my countdown to Christmas. And it also is with the Plan With Me design group, so I will have a link listed below, so make sure you check out all the others in the group and they would definitely appreciate that. And my inspiration for this one is this journaling card from Simply Gilded. I'm going to add this over here, and then I have a couple of washies from her that I'm going to use, and then I have these ones as well. Then some stickers. So I'm gonna start with, let's see, some washi, I think. I'm gonna use this one. I think this is the first time I've used the Simply Gilded washies in my layout. Maybe I'm wrong, but I love them. They are just so nice, so smooth. They come down on your paper really nice. I should have covered up the back, but you can see that kind of a aqua below that, but that's okay. I'm just going to bring this over to there since that journaling card will cover it up. Okay, and then I'm going to put this one here. Actually, it's easier not to do it that way. Okay. Yeah, it comes off the roll really nice. And then here. And let's see if my journaling card covers that up. No, it doesn't. I've got to go all the way over. That's what I should have done, is I should have brought this right up to that line. That's going to change them. I've got to move them up. Because you can't see the aqua color in between. I can see it right there, so I need to bring it down a little bit. Let me see if that'll work. I think that'll, it doesn't show as much. So I'm going to go ahead and move these up. I'll be right back. So I went ahead and moved each of them up. You can still see a little bit of the aqua underneath here, but it looks much better than it did. So let's see. I think I'm going to use the gold as well. So I'm going to do it like this. And then over here, just scoot that down a pinch. This washi definitely is so, just, it sticks down really well. Let's see. Yeah, I'm afraid to pull that back up, so I'm not going to. It needed to move up a little bit, but that's okay. And then, let's see, do I want to put it here? I think I'm going to do that. There. Trying to do different things with my layouts, just try different things, use different products, I guess. So I love using sticky notes, not sticky notes, I guess sticky notes too, but like labels. So I do have some labels that I'm going to be using as well this time. All right. Just, I have used labels in the past, but I definitely like doing that. It definitely kind of gives me an area to put something, write something in that I want to make sure I remember it. So it's kind of like in that little, almost like a little bubble to show me that this needs to be done, or an appointment or whichever. So let's see, I kind of want to do the holly. Maybe I will do the holly. Let's see, this won't cover up. It says this is going to be going to show through. It says you can never dream too much. So, but I'm not worried about that. I will see what it looks like after and see if that's a problem for me. Like I said, I should have covered that up as well, but I wasn't even thinking about it when I was getting ready to film. You can see it a little bit, so. Okay. All right. Let's see if you can make sure you can see everything I'm doing. All right, I have, let's see, the wider one. So what do I want to use that? So I think I'm going to do this down here. So that does cover part of that up, so that's okay. So I'm gonna add that down next. Just put some glue on the back of it. Put quite a bit just to make sure it stays down. And I think I've told you, but it says warm and cozy. So really cute. All right, so I'm gonna put my cap on my glue. Then, so I need a washi up on the top. Do I wanna just use a skinny red one? Let me see what it would look like. If I can find the end. This might be one that I couldn't find the end. Nope, I think that's good. Yep, I'm gonna do that. I like that red. It's kind of a deeper red. On this side. Okay. It's so much easier having an X-Acto knife to use. I should have done that a long time ago. I was using it for a while and then I just stopped. I don't know why, but it definitely makes it a lot easier to cut some of these washies. All right, so let's see how that looks. I do have these here. I love these. They're so cute. So I'm gonna add those. I was gonna add one to the top of each day of the week. So let's see if I really wanna do that or not. So let's see. Kind of wanted it like this. For Monday. Just I guess it's mostly a Simply Gilded layout with all these cute things. I love them. Her products are so nice. Let's see. Yep, I think that's what I'm gonna do. So let me put the other 4 down. So I'll do a red next. Actually, I'm gonna do a red. Red. I'll do the black and white again. And the green. And then the red. So I used all those up. Looks so cute though. I love all the bows. Bows are definitely one of my favorite things. Okay, so let's see. Maybe I'll add one of these tags for each day of the week. I also have the black ones. So let's see. Pull these out, and I have these black ones here. So let's see. Do I want to double them up? In one of my other layouts, I doubled up some, like did a cluster of stickers. So maybe I'll do kind of the same thing. Okay, so I went ahead and put it back in my planner, and I just love how this turned out. The chipboard stickers are going to be a little bit of a problem. Like this one is just not adhered down at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some adhesive on the back of those to make sure that they stay in place. I've got a lot of Simply Gilded items on here that I think are just so adorable. I love the journaling card here. And this is my December 17th through the 23rd layout. Remember to check the link